Want to make your coloring book stand out and earn more online? Here's how to turn them into interactive 3D flipbooks in seconds. Colorbooks AI lets you instantly convert any coloring book into an animated 3D flipbook, perfect for digital publishing and online sales. You can use this feature to sell books to parents, schools, or even as premium digital products. Combine it with AI generated pages, DFI templates, and unlimited book creation, all in one dashboard. No design skills needed, cloud based, beginner friendly, and comes with full PLR and commercial rights. Thousands of creators are already scaling their passive income this way. Click the link in the description to grab Color Books AI now, start creating stunning flipbooks, and monetize your coloring books instantly.